dRofus leverages knowledge critical to a project's success. We get information out of various sources into a single database. Unlike any software on the market, dRofus manages design requirements based on facility standards, all templated to ensure compliance with national codes and guidelines. With equipment being such a central part of healthcare projects, we give equipment planners tools to define what's critical for procurement to meet project deadlines. From feasibility studies to renovations and new construction, space planners finally have a software built for them to plan projects tracked on a room-by-room basis. We also provide a multitude of reporting options, from room data sheets to unlimited customized reports. And with your project data in one place, you can create reports or interactive dashboards to manage and monitor design trends across your portfolio. dRofus plays a central role in how you publish your design standards. Because our reports have a live connection to your data, shared documentation isn't stagnant. It evolves with your organization, keeping critical design resources up to date so your design consultants never miss a revision. Speaking of keeping design consultants on track, our Revit and ArchiCAD plugins do just that. Our bidirectional link to model data ensures your BIM projects evolve with your standards. Our BIM plugin increases model accuracy and takes the guesswork out of compliance. Now teams can model with confidence, knowing design requirements are met. And in today's world of digital twins and data deliverables, dRofus stands out as a single source for your project data, ensuring design standards are unified with your facility management systems. dRofus is built for you. Welcome to the future of planning and data management. Welcome to dRofus.